This video will demonstrate how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. To get started, let's head on over to an active Google Classroom. Once you're in your Google Classroom, to create an assignment, you're going to hit the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. And once you move your mouse over the plus sign, you'll see that you have a few options. Reuse post, create question, create assignment, or create announcement. In this case, we're going to click Create Assignment. The first thing you're going to do is give your assignment a title, optional instructions, select a due date, and a topic. Next, you need to decide what documents you would like to attach to this assignment. Looking at the bottom left corner of the pop-up, you'll see that you can attach items from your computer. Looking at the bottom left corner of the assignment window, you'll see that you can attach uploads from your computer, add Google Drive items, add YouTube videos, or attach links to websites. For this video, we're going to add items from Google Drive, so we'll go ahead and click the Google Drive button. Once Classroom accesses your Google Drive, you're going to search for the files that you're looking for by typing their name. And here I find the file I'm looking for, so I'll just click on the file, and that'll be added to my assignment. Now if we look to the right of that document, we'll see it says Students Can View File. If we click that drop-down arrow, we'll see three separate access levels. First, Students Can View File, meaning all students in the room can look at that file. Students Can Edit File, meaning all students in the class can make changes to this one document. Or third, Make a Copy for each student, which gives each student their own digital copy of this activity. So we're going to go ahead and make a copy for each student because this particular file is a template from which the students will work. Now we can go ahead and add other files, so I can add another Google Drive item here if I'd like, and I can save that as Students Can View File. The next thing we're going to take a look at the top of the screen, we see which classes we can assign this to, and which students will have access to this assignment. If I click the drop-down arrow to the right of the word For, we'll see all of my current classes. Any class I check will also have this work assigned to them. To the right of that, you see All Students. If I click this drop-down arrow, it will allow me to select all students or just individual students to assign this activity to. The Students section is great for differentiating activities in your class or for assigning group work with project leads. In this case, I will assign this to all students. Finally, we can click the drop-down arrow to the right of the word Assign to schedule this assignment to come out at a specific time, or we can simply save it and review it later. If I click Schedule, then Google Classroom will ask me what date and time I would like this assignment to be released to my students. Or I can hit Save Draft to save this assignment to assign when I'm ready. If I click Save Draft, you'll notice at the top of my screen there's a box that says Saved Posts. If I click on Save Posts, that post will be there. If I click on it, I can assign it, schedule it, or update it. This has been a brief demonstration on how to create assignments using Google Classroom.